Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing problems on the INFINIX Note 60. First, open Bluetooth settings, then disable and re-enable Bluetooth. Next to your paired device, tap the settings button and unpair if you're already connected. Now go into Settings, scroll down to System, then Reset Phone and Reset Wi-Fi Settings, and tap Reset. You'll need to enter your PIN. Now enable Bluetooth again. You can also restart your phone and the Bluetooth device, then try connecting again. Hit pair on both devices. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.